How do you do, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host, Seth Julian, welcoming you to today's briefing session, and we're looking at the ASML Corporation. This happens to be it's a Dutch company, but it's a global company. We're looking at the New York Stock Exchange Registry shares. These people manufacture machinery that manufactures chips. These machines, which cost tens of millions of dollars, are installed in chip fabrication foundries and play an essential role in all sorts of elements of the photolithographic process and the thin metal layering process, all sorts of aspects of the microchip manufacturing process. By the way, if you're not familiar with this, this is the most complicated and sophisticated manufacturing process and product made by mankind. I highly recommend you take a tour on YouTube, find out what's involved in the manufacture and the production of microprocessors, and you'll likely see machinery of these firms in the background. Point I'm trying to bring is this, though. It's risen 7.52% in less than 2 days, and this is on the back of a restriction by the United States government against selling their products into China. This is another brick in the wall of the continuing rivalry and confrontation between China and the United States. And it's heating up. It's ratcheting up. It's getting more severe. It's getting more intense. And opportunities like this, we think, are going to be more frequent. 7.5% jump in a stock in 2 days. You don't see that very often, ladies and gentlemen. And also, lest you think that this is some faddish thing with no momentum, the volume is approximately almost 2.5 times ordinary volume. So we're hip to this. We're aware of it. It doesn't look like it's going to be receding anytime soon. Volume is still quite high. And so we think this trade still has legs. And there will be more as the isolation and confrontation between the United States and China ratchets up, and we move from being in the foothills of a Cold War to actually being in an actual Cold War. More opportunities like this, we assume, will appear. In the meantime, ASML up. I'm your host, Seth Julian, wishing you all, ladies and gentlemen, the ability to trade with confidence. Bye-bye for now.